Alright. Flash flood warning coming up. About to step into the yard. Okay, this is about like to my ankles. Maybe a little bit more. Check this out. The camera all wet. Look at that. Island over there. And my camera's all blurry. Sucks. This is the grass right there. This is concrete. Watch this. Definitely stepping into the yard. But this is cool. I like this. I like this a lot. This is sweet. Let's go check out the front yard. Okay, the front yard is not as bad. This is what we got. There's not water in here though. That's the street. I'm sorry for the blurriness of my camera. The middle of the street is a little bit dried up. You can see that car splashing in puddles. So the water in the backyard is about that much high. It's about 4 inches. About 2 inches from getting inside the house. Really don't want that to happen. These are just cars driving by. They're going a little slow. I'm just going to step into the front yard to show you how deep it is. See, it's about that deep. It's not that much water over here. But it's still kind of wet. Gonna have to buy new shoes now. Yep. Gonna walk down over here. So I don't get struck by lightning. Do this. Okay, that car just got me completely soaked. Like, oh my god, they just got me soaked, and I'm gonna definitely find their house and come over there and complain. That was just not cool, man. Really not cool. I'm gonna show you the backfield. Here's the backfield. It's alright. Backfield. Sorry, I left my camera there. This is the backfield. It's about the same as my backyard. Really deep. Very deep. Just like my backyard. I love this. This is awesome. I wish it was always like this. I can ride 4-wheelers back here like this. This is sweet. I love this so much. insight you got for making it rain so freaking much. I'm gonna try to get out of this freaking pool over here. Oh my god, this is so cool. Big old marsh down there. No idea if you can see that, but the ditch is about 7-8 feet deep. There's always water in it. There's always water in that ditch. And now, since it's rained about a couple of feet, maybe 3 feet, I bet it's pretty high right now. Maybe it's about like, should be maybe 9 feet deep back there. Definitely gonna go there tomorrow. So yeah, video of a rainstorm. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Peace out.